Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So it's been a while since I've made a leaks and rumor video. There hasn't really been a lot of new information coming out over the last couple months, but over the last couple weeks some really interesting rumors have been swirling around Twitter. These leaks come directly from Deal's Drone on Twitter, so all credit goes to him. And basically they pertain to the Goggles 2, a new version of Goggles, and compatibility with the Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Mavic 3. Now overnight, Deal's Drone shared a screenshot from within the goggles, and you can clearly see that it lists the Mavic 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, as well as the new Air unit which will be coming. So that new screenshot does kind of add some more substance to the rumors. Now on top of that, over the last couple days, he did leak some information about a new set of goggles called the Goggles Lite. I don't know if it's going to be called the Goggles 2 Lite or just the Goggles Lite. Basically, it's the same as the Goggles 2, except it doesn't have head tracking, and it doesn't have the touchpad at the side. So I'm not quite sure how you would change settings on the new Goggles 2 Lite, as right now that's really the only way to do it. Perhaps you have to plug it into a controller and you'll be able to do it on screen. But I think that's kind of interesting because it would maybe offer a lower cost solution for those who want to fly your Mini 3 or the Mavic 3 with a set of goggles but don't maybe need all the features. Now the big question is, when will we see this update? According to rumors, the O3 Air unit is slated to be released this month, so I'm assuming all this firmware will kind of get updated around the same time. When DJI launches the O3 Air unit, they'll probably launch the Goggles 2 as a separate standalone purchase, because right now the only way to get them is with the Avata, and of course they'll probably launch those light versions as well at the same time. So theoretically we could see this firmware update as early as this month, or perhaps maybe early December. This is something I'm actually looking really forward to. Now we've seen similar rumors to this in the past. When the Air 2S was originally launched, there was a lot of rumors going around that it indeed was going to be compatible with the DJI FPV goggles. And there was actually some screenshots of the firmware showing compatibility, but obviously that never came to fruition. For whatever reason, DJI decided not to release that firmware. And a lot of people speculated it was due to the very narrow field of view of the Air 2S. It just didn't make for a very good, safe flight experience. This could turn out to be nothing as well. It could just be testing on DJI's part. But one thing that is kind of interesting and that I thought of is perhaps that's why they have these wide-angle lenses as well. We have one for the Mini 3 and there's one for the Mavic 3. These increase the field of view, so perhaps these will be required if you want to fly with the goggles, or if anything, maybe it'll just help enhance the experience. Now on top of that, when the Mini 3 was launched, there was rumors going around that the motion controller was going to be compatible with it as well. Now obviously we haven't seen that come to fruition either, so perhaps this will become compatible all around the same time. That will definitely be interesting for people who like to fly with the motion controller. Now just keep in mind, all of this is rumor. None of this has been confirmed by DJI. Plans change, things change, release dates change, so just take all these rumors and leaks with a grain of salt. I know not everybody likes rumor videos, but I myself love them. I find it builds excitement. I love reading about new technology, new features, and things to look forward to. So yeah, that will be kind of interesting to see how that all plays out. Now, if that is something you're interested in, I will be covering it fully once the firmware is released, giving my thoughts on the user experience, and that way if you decide you want to maybe purchase a set of goggles to fly with your Mini 3 or your Mavic 3, I'll be able to share all that information with you. Well folks, that's basically it. Just a quick little video for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.